We had an exhaust leak. This happened on Friday. I knew we had to get this truck up and running by Monday. Here you can see the exhaust leak, and here you see the broken stud. When we pulled off the exhaust manifold, a stud broke in the manifold. That was easy to fix as we had it out of the truck. This is the stud that broke off. We welded a nut to the end, heated the manifold and gently, working it free back and forth, removed it. This is the stud that broke from the head of the motor. The right thing to do would be remove the head so we have room to work on it. Drill it out and tap it. We tried the double nut method. You place one nut over the other. Tighten them together until they lock. Then using the back nut you unscrew the stud. That didn't work. Sometimes you can head the stud or broken bolt, till it's just turning red. Be careful not to overdo it. And lightly tap it. This may break any kind of corrosion buildup, or chemical such as a thread locking compound. We had to make a special knot, one that could reach down and thread onto the broken stud. We took a standard 7/16 bolt, drilled the center and tapped for a 5/16 thread. We went all the way through, to make sure the broken stud didn't bottom out. And this is what we ended up with. A bolt made to go over a stud. It's been 3 weeks and works fine. I hope this helps someone. Thanks for watching.